Again, you do not have to disassemble this entire bracket. You can leave it connected to the bumper. There's more metal in that bracket than there's that bumper, so it's not adding that much weight. Take those two small screws out. You can also just push this plastic piece to the side, and voila. I do like a gear wrench right here, so. Now, you can just literally bend this bracket out of the way to get it past this point. So, I know it's a little, or if you want to, come in here, take off the bracket, be nice and sweet with it, and you're good. We're just going to bend it though. If you leave some of the bolts loose, you can maneuver it and move it around until you get all the bolts set, then tighten that thing up.